How are we doing today?
Okay, I'm doing well.
Excellent. Well, we just wanted to ask you a few questions, like what problems were you facing before working with us?
Well, first of all, my name is Bill Lastly. I got in contact with Cliff through a friend of mine, Greg. He's a HVAC person, and he recommended Cliff to come in to give me an estimate, stuff like that. The issues I've had in this particular area was this house was built in 1910, and again, this was a two-room part of the house, and the second part where I'm sitting at right now was a open porch that had a slanted floor to keep the rain out, and then where you gentlemen are standing at right now or was, say, I would call it the mud room. And so someone in the time period enclosed the porch itself, but they didn't level the floor. And so anytime you open the door would get stuck onto the floor and stuff like that. And this has been going on with me for over 20 some odd years. So I thought it'd be time to get this project started and get it, the way I want it and stuff like that. I spent a little bit more money on the washer and dryer than I wanted to, but that's the way things are nowadays. But yeah, that was sort of the main issue. I mean, it was cold back here. I had put up comforters on the doorways to keep the cold air out because the door wasn't sealed properly. It was just a single door. Again, it was built in 1910, so you can imagine what kind of door it was. It was a heavy door, but had window panes, and they were leaking. So that's what got the ball started. That's what, I decided to do what I needed to do. So
Thank you for sharing that.